This is David's barber. Si Buds. It's his first haircut of my big baby boy. Hi, Dave. Say hi to mommy. Hi. Oh, boy. You're not afraid. You're so brave. Did you cry? Did you cry? Why? Did you cry, baby? Anak, wag ka dyan. Baka pumunta sa mata. Anak, not too close, babe. Pag puti, sabog yung...
Mommy, it's not glass. It's not glass.
It's almost done. Not yet, not yet. Uy! Why are you crying?
You're so handsome.
Ganyan na yung hair niya sa harap. Bawasan mo ng konti. Ang bilis sumabay.
Finished. Almost.
Almost.
Be afraid, David. I'm not gonna cut it. I'm not gonna cut it. Just a few bit. Right, Mom? I cut all the dots.
May bago ng parokyano si Buds.
David, are you?
Mas gwapo sa daddy.
Tatayahan niya.
Hindi mo kasi kinuha yung video. Wala na yung CD mo. Out of stock.
Ano ba sabi niya?
Out of stock. That's my big boy. So brave and handsome. Handsome. Then we will watch movies. You want to watch new movies, David?
See?
You zoom